Hello to everybody. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope you enjoyed your weekend with a lot of outside time today. I got the pleasure of doing Play-Doh on the back patio for about an hour, so that was fun. This upcoming week there is not really anything new except for writing. The kids are going to be going on and editing each other's work, so I'm going to show you what that will look like. They'll need to open up a new tab up here, which I made a video about all this also. They're going to go to Google Drive. They're going to click on Shared with Me because I have a blog folder that is shared with them. It's on my drive, but they'll click on Shared with Me. They'll click on 3W blog. Last week they wrote a narrative story about being on a safari. There are about 4 kids who did none of it. So if your kid, they go to do it and they don't know what this is about, you need to email me and then let me know so I can get their work copy and pasted over. Maybe they did it at a different time. And then every kid is assigned a number in the class. There's 26 kids. So if you're number 4, they're only going to work in student folder 1 through 5 because that is all of the people's work and all of their narratives they already worked on. We're going to be going on and commenting on people's work throughout the week. That has been a struggle for us in other times because we accidentally delete things, but we always click undo, and we're always trying our best to be more respectful about it when we're working. If your kid is a kid who clicks 10 times without thinking, please have them slow down so they don't ruin anybody else's work. And like I said, if you got your work done like on Sunday or Saturday, you'll need to let me know so I can get that new information copied over. And if your student didn't get it done last week, Monday is just a catch-up day, so they can use that time to do it. Other than that, math is pretty normal. We're doing order of operations and multi-step problems, so maybe adding and subtracting in the same story problem. Grammar, we worked on verbs last week, so we're working on verb tenses this week, past, present, future. And in social studies, we're working on American symbols, as we worked on last week, kind of being a good citizen in your community. So once again, if you have any information or questions for me, please let me know. I know that the math last week was a little aggressive, so I kind of backed up on that, and that was my fault. I apologize. And the quizzes are in the slides now. So what happened is on Monday, what's happening is kids go in on Monday and Tuesday and just take all the quizzes and don't do any of the learning. Also, if your kid is taking the quiz 3 or 4 times, I just put in their first grade because that's really what they know, not what they copied from the other quizzes. So they'll no longer see a quiz unless they're on the actual slide. Like on Wednesday for reading, there will be a slide that says reading quiz. It won't be anything separate. Same for math. There will be a slide on Tuesday for math that says quiz. It's not going to be something separate that they can click on. So if you have problems with that, please let me know. I can kind of show you what that looks like. Otherwise, once again, thank you everyone for all of your work and all of your time and all of your dedication. Sending me emails if you need something and responding to my emails as we're trying to get some kids caught up or some kids on track. So I really appreciate it and have a great week.